Hey guys, really quick, I just want to show you how you can quickly and easily add your Facebook pixel to your AttractWell so you can record any of your conversions. So when you're in your Facebook Ads Manager and you're going through creating your pixel, when you get to how do you want to connect your website, you're going to want to do connect manually, and then we're just going to do meta pixel only, and then you're just going to go ahead and click next. And then you should see instructions, and then it should pop up our code here, hit finish, and then we are going to copy the code. And now that this code is copied, we are going to go back to AttractWell, and then in here you want to go to your website and blog section, and then you're going to click on customize my site. Once you're in customize my site, you want to scroll down till you see edit advanced options. Go ahead and open that up, and then in here, this is where you'll also add your Google tag. But if we just scroll down here to the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple, and then we're going to paste in our Facebook pixel. All right, so now we have our Google tag and we have our Facebook pixel tag in here. Go ahead and click save, and that's all you need, guys, to add your Facebook pixel to your AttractWell. If you don't have AttractWell and you're interested in AttractWell, I did leave a link in the comments below where you can try it out for $1 for a month to see if it's a tool that you like to use. But if you have any questions, concerns, comments, let me know in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Anyways, have an awesome day, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. Bye-bye.